Hey everyone! Do you know Phantom Wallet has over 15 million monthly active users worldwide? And it is one of the leading non-custodial crypto wallet with over $25 billion in self-custody assets within its wallets. In this video, we will learn how to set up Phantom Wallet with just a few clicks. Go to Phantom Wallet homepage and click Download. Click Add to add Phantom Wallet extension. Confirm the pop-up tab to add extension. Choose Create New Wallet. You will be prompted to continue with email or seed phrase wallet. For this video, we will go with Create Seed Phrase Wallet. Next, you will be prompted to create password. Remember, this password will unlock your Phantom Wallet only on this device. Create a new password and confirm it. Check I agree and click Continue. Now this is a very important step. After clicking continue, a secret recovery phrase will be generated. This secret recovery phrase is the master key to your wallet and funds on chain. You can use this key to access your funds from any device via Phantom Wallet on the chain. Hover over secret recovery phrase to reveal your master key. Write it on a piece of paper and store it safely. It may be required later on to restore your wallet. Never store it digitally, either in the form of a photo or any other form. Remember, whoever has access to this key has access to your funds on this wallet. Check I saved my recovery phrase and click Continue. Next, you will be prompted to open your wallet. Click Get Started. Congratulations, your Phantom Wallet is protected and ready to use. We have seen how to add Phantom Wallet extension to your browser. You can follow the same steps to install the wallet on your mobile by going to the App Store on Android or iOS. Now that you're familiar with setting up Phantom Wallet, you may also explore RocketX app that simplifies crypto trading and helps you get the best rate with every swap by comparing rates across 500 plus leading exchanges. Compare rates and ape smart. Please check the video link in the description below for how to RocketX video tutorials. If you like the content, don't forget to like and subscribe the video. Happy swapping, see you in the next one.